Good evening, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel luxury auto. So 2014 on a 64 plate, 2 owners from new, 60,000 miles, very good service history, including the cam belt being replaced at 51,000 miles. Price 8,995. This won't be around for long. Serviced at 9,000, 18, 26, 33, 43, 45, 51 and 56,000 miles. 2 owners from new, 2 keys in silver. Great spec as well. It's a luxury, but reverse camera, heated seats, black leather, electric seats, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, park sensors, and as I say, a reverse camera as well. Lovely spec, matching Uni-Royal tyres all round, lovely paintwork, front park sensors, daytime running lights. So obviously had some optional extras because a luxury, it's a 200 brake as well, wouldn't normally come with a reverse camera and heated seats and electric seats and DAB radio and Bluetooth. Oh, I don't know what's up with my gimbal, but yeah, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, reverse camera, electric seats, heated seats, black leather. Lovely example this. Super clean everywhere I look. Beautiful condition. Doesn't appear to have any marks on the bodywork or the interior. Double cleaning the boot as well. 8,995 pounds on a 1464 with that spec, that history, cam belt done. Represents amazing value for money, this car. Matching Uni-Royals again, all round, like new. 60,691 miles. Very nice cars. Electric driver's seat. To show you, paddle change on the steering wheel for the gearbox. Reverse camera. DAB digital radio. Bluetooth. And heated seats. Same spec as a premium luxury. This really, it's a luxury, but somebody's paid for some optional extras. USB and auxiliary in there as well. So 8,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other XFs in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, and nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will be the first to know every time we get a fresh car into stock and upload a video. You'll get a little notification. You will know exactly what car we have in and when we have it in. You'll be the first people to know. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.